Is 1,602 divisible by 9? Now, this is a divisibility rule, and the trick for divisibility by 9 is this. You take your number here and add up all the digits. So 1, 6, 0, and 2. 1 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. Now, we take that number, and if that number itself is divisible by 9, then you're good. So, what's 9 divided by 9? 1. So, since the sum of these numbers, 9, is also divisible by 9, we know that 1,602 is divisible by 9. So, is it? Yes, it is.